guys. We ruined the outer camper. We were driving through this, the GPS said that we were on the right way, just to make it clear. But we were driving through this little town and it had like these really narrow roads. And then at one place, they built like, the road was like this, the lines, but they built their roof out going over the lines. So when we got through, yeah, we couldn't go back. We were stuck there. There were two guys trying to guide Matt to, and he's not making this video because, yeah, my bad.
Well, I don't feel so good about it.
Yeah. So, yeah, look at the really huge scratches into the window frames and all the way into here. And this has been bent. The light up there's broken. And also, like 2 weeks ago, we lost this one. So we made like this. And we still don't have gas or anything inside. But also we broke this side over here, which might be the biggest problem.
Yeah.
And Massa said, as you can see here, somebody's been fooling, or I don't know what it's called in English, but somebody has fixed things here, and he says that he's watched YouTube and it can be fixed and he can paint over it. He is a really experienced and competent painter, so if anybody could do it, it would be him. But I'm just like, is it really possible to fix that and all of this with, what do you call it, plaster? Or
Yeah, polyfiller.
polyfiller?
Yeah, but for cars, it's just, I don't know about this material. I don't know what kind of material it is, and I would like people's knowledge about what can you use for that, you know?
Yeah. Can we fix it? Because the plan was that we were gonna have the outer camper, and that's why we bought like a Portuguese one also, and then use it for until we finished building or until we got the land, and then we would sell it, buy a caravan while we built, and then have like a van. So we were gonna sell it as soon as we found the land, but right now I'm like,
We can't sell it now.
we can't really sell it looking like this. Well, nothing inside or anything. Everything else is perfect inside, and it runs perfectly, and it has like 18 months guarantee on the motor and everything. But would you buy a caravan that has this on the side, or doesn't it really matter?
It matters.
Yeah.
But
Just help us out. Can this be fixed or can it not? And if you know how to, let us know. And if you're Portuguese and you're really good at this stuff, can you help us? Obrigada!